So when there was a generational change, a generation they saw no value of those standalone houses. So they a change of use. Makiabatia monstrosities. No value addition one way or the other.
Na kuwa kule state hall mukacheza kama kinyinyi.
Yes. Onakera ina matigeda kuiguo. One day, one time.
No, it will get there.
The generations that are coming. No makorani atiriri. Ha ikono ha generate bigiriri. Nyumba milioni magana mere nikireka.
Yes.
Oga ya mwabatio.
Wekelea gorofa.
Yes. Lego thondeko kare ni ngi na guku guo. Guku kwa design one bitange demo.
Konza.
Yes. No, those things
you get there someday.
Yes. Kudo wikara gogu kudo tatigoni. No na kuono etene kule mwa kware magu.
Kuhe miaka 15 20.
Yes.
15 to 20 years.
Yo kale ni gweciria the kara na ruda mumweri. I think the treaty is very binding.
But you know nothing is permanent.
You are right about that.
The generations will change. Aria maria hold it that value.
Yes.
When they will not be there.
Yes.
Aria magoka matiga corona sio.
Tonto thuri twatene twakweru yu murerari. Matigite kiate tuiko tuikara karia kahua kao kari.
Yes. It's urbanization.
It is.
And ndiragira nyamu cia kuria China actually matauni maige matauni mothe maria manene kuria bururi wa China ri gutire kundu kwe nyumba cia standalone
akuria Shanghai Guangzhou
they do high rise gorofa mirongo
ona igana.
Yes.
And is there is residential.
Ajua gwe kundu koraga the shitagwate thirikari cia matura.
Yes.
Gwe kundu utangiaka nyumba ya the wa gorofa 70.
Tondu ku ne ku waste resources.
Yes.
Yes.
No cio ne matho wa thirikari ya ku.
No ne maka nyumba ibounce aguka githingithia. Ne gatigwo roha.
O hau.
Ne woni kundu kwa ina githingithia nyumba ya cuga nginya swimming pool keita mai na ndiakurumanire.
Yes. So, na tondu no population yana kinyia bili. You cannot afford such luxury.
And you will not call it a very vast country. When you compare the population yao. Yes.
Riu ona guku no tugakinya hau.
Hari guku na kuore. Okay, imagine we still have a long way to go. Tondu urahura bica we base gorofa ya 94 na maine mohorete.
Floor 94.
Yes. Maine maba mora. Na thitima nacio ciure. Nĩwaigua imenyithia gũkũ. Haucho. Mao wa weekend nĩguo tiganĩrĩire rũngai. Ũka Muthoni Plaza gorofa ya 76. Kirabu gĩtagwo Pewa.
Pewa 254.
Nĩ gorofa ya 76. Kũu nĩkuo gakunyĩrwo ngita nĩ Waithaka wa Jeni. Because I am sure those houses in China, I call it gorofa iganari. It cannot all be pure residential. Though no weather convenience. Wakora mwe gorofa ya 80. Okay, mwage ageni okero. Ni utengera 27.
Floor 27.
Au no toko bagiro. Floor 27 ile.
Ukore yongli.
Cheng kwari. Mwire kule sukari kilo. Yes. We need to work a lot on our infrastructure.
A lot.
Well, even our structural construction skills.
Integrity.
Yes. Imagine when the door gorofa ya 95.
Dadora gorofa ya 95 urakiona kitui.
Actually, onoge kiua we gorofa ya 90. Okero maandamano me ukinyite ya 40. Guku twithayo maandamano mefote.
Mutiraigua nginya hoi.
Ndaigua nĩ gwakĩtio mĩaki 14. Because when you have a house residential, the traffic is heavy.
Very heavy.
You have to have very functional elevators. Kirini. Yes. Both andu na cia merigo. Yes.
And reliable power.
And reliable fire exit. Yes. At the evacuation can be done very fast. Yes.
Even the sewer system has to be well thought.
No, clearly thought out. That can be a disaster.
Toru.
Umanya wambere ugikinya mucie uhumite ukorio niki ukauga ni ndaiyirwo 52.
Ndahurwo ngeta 52.
Kona 52 hena mitwiro hiandu. Thitima yurete ndungiambata ngoroba 8.
You can't.
Ni ukwambata no kai.
No ukambata 10 ukamba ukauna iru.
Yes.
Ukambata 10. Na ndungiambata na murigo.
Hapana. Nikire ukiona kio wambe utige handu hari.
Wambe wethe gwa kuraririria.
Yes.
Ukagira thitima cia coka.
So you cannot fathom here. I think the tallest flats we have here are around 20 floors.
20.
Residential.
About 20 they are about.
20 they are about. Let's get umekawa. Residential. Ucoke uko twina icio maita mana. Yes.
No ndakura tugikinya twi mwaka wa 2025.
Yes.
Tukiuga ni guthakira mwaka wa 2050 na hau. We will be there.
We will be there. Yes.
Ndiagoria kuratuikire projection cia Nairobi by the year 24.
Yes.
Nairobi no tuko tugithakira population ya kindu 8 million.
Milioni nyanya ri.
Na wakiona
tukwambatangia nyumba kuria umonja.
Nyumba cia ngoroba 3-4 ri ni ikwanjia kugwa ciambatio ndaihu.
Yes. Tondu ona nginya utheri na riera nyumba teo ri. You see, understand China ri. Kwa nginya engineer moka guku study githua. Githua. Is a constructor wokire ikarie miaka igana na guku. Athoma horo wa ithua. Ni githua uguo guothe kiingira etiaga riera nginya kuria ru. Now they were looking at the ventilation of a house that complicated. Yeah.
Githua.
Guku ni mundu ukakauga atiriri. Guceria mwena wa one bedroom.
Mwena uria bed sitter.
No yo tu. Yes. Leo nyumba ya ngoroba ite guku. No ukore ngoroba ya kindu 8 ri. Is pitch dark.
Cia kuria thi.
Ni ndumo ngenyita icoke ikirimani uri ikirimanagia.
Icoke ru inyitane ta 3.
Yes.
Ciumanite thutha kana inyitanite.
Ona kundu kuguo itingikoma. Yes. So I think it is also a
tondu ru ngoroba 50 ngoroba 70 ri. Ndungiuga ati andu marithia kwanika nguo iguru.
Hapana, ona ona kama kuiganiria ku.
You can't have that.
Yes. Ngoroba 50 ni mundu mwata tukamuya ni uranyona ko. You see there's a time kwehaga wega. Wikidu on average ngoroba ya kindu 40-50 matume hau. Yes. Runo ai imagine ukiuria mundu kana arakuona.
Ndirona mundu uri agitambaya kia hoiti.
Yes. Na kundu kuu gwecia mambite magekirwo mikana ya kuiga mithemba ya nyau na tugiti. Tondu ona ka ni wira muingi. And I think there everything is electronic ginya kindu gitao sensors.
Kabisa. Kura uko na kuore they don't compromise on
I think that their data is clear cut. Yes.
Na gutire shortcuts.
No me uko China na kuo gwati uri ogini ati mahala ine yothe. Wavawe vyo giwanu watha mari. Ni ukuriganwo ni gwaku ugiuka wi Kongo. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yes, what is it?
Hapa ni kwa Wajeli.
Wajeli ndiye nani?
Hii ni ghorofa ya ngapi?
This is 48th floor.
48.
Yes.
Hii nyumba inaitwa ni Shobe Plaza. Ama ni kwa Waithira House. Gai pole, nimeingia nyumba mbaya.
Huku ni Muthidi Complex.
Ni Muthidi.
Yes.
Gai, lakini na ndio nisione ni kama na kusumbua. Gekaria Plaza.
Hiyo iko huku nyuma.
Ninaweza pitia hii ama nishuke?
Utarudi chini ground floor uende huko nyuma.
Ngai. Lakini nimechukua route iko sawa. You know, understand those houses in China even have a correlation. Wanakuwa nyumba mugithio yara gatagati. Yes. Kanyumba
no gathie.
Ugakora mugithio yara gorofa ya 10 no gathonga. Sawa basi, nimepokosea kidogo. Na hisi 77 Mobi House.
The future is urban.
Oh yes, it is urban. You see, even the rural areas as we knew them are becoming urban by the day. Yes.
Urbanization is everywhere.
Hello, Teneri. I don't remember a time kule witu yoge thuguri. Kwale modu werekana ati ni akomborete nyumba.
Today, even shopping centers is very rural.
Yes.
They are rentals.
They are tenants.
Yes.
Yes. So we are slowly going there.
Yes. Ona ni ukora urigua ati mundu ngania ne umire gwake.
Yes.
Na agithika mbe agikombora.
Tena ni ugioni we mundu we na wina gathina.
Today is there everywhere.
People move. Actually to interclan warfare. People move. Yes.
Agukombora house center.
Wega view.
Na mumuonage okuwa agithukuma.
Wega. Na kuda yakaingirwo hau. Yes.
Ina iko vile na fote wandu.